Today we're unboxing the Brandmotion wireless HD observation system with 7-inch monitor with DVR. Part number AHDS 7810v2. Here we have our 7-inch monitor with DVR, capable of syncing 4 wireless cameras at one time. Have a sunshade for the monitor, a permanent mount U bracket, or for more of a temporary mount, we have the suction cup windshield mount, cigarette lighter, power harness adapter. For the trailer or the back of the coach, we have a wireless camera. We have the power adapter for the camera, which is 12 volt, be connected to the parking lights. We have a universal Voyager bracket, so a mount if you don't have anything, or if you do have the Voyager mount on the trailer from the factory, this will replace it. Antenna. And then we also have our adapter bracket for the Furrion system. So if your trailer has the Furrion, you use the bracket and also the power adapter for the Furrion system. We also include the Voyager power adapter as well. And all necessary hardware for installation.
So this install is going to be on the back of a trailer that has no pre-wire, no mounts, or if it was back of a coach. What you're going to use is the universal Voyager bracket. Mount that to the camera with the 4 screws. We're going to use our power harness that will tap into our lights. Tools, we're going to use a drill with a screw tip, drill bit, wire strippers, a panel pop tool to remove the cover off of your running light at the top, and electrical tape or heat shrink. So first thing we want to do is pop out our center light here. So the advantage of doing that is we're going to be able to feel inside to see if there's any aluminum studs. They're either going to run up and down or across. I can feel there's one right here, so I can't put my camera here because I won't be able to get my wire here. So I'm going to have to go either side of the light. So I'm going to go to this side. All right, so you have to get your wires connected, your end coming out, and install the light back in the same way it came out. If you have the strip caulk, make sure it's sealed back. If it's silicone, make sure you silicone the top of the light back up. So now that we have our wire here, we're going to connect our camera. Make sure we tape this connection so it doesn't come apart inside the trailer. or while you're driving. Put the excess slack in there. On the camera, you want the lip to the top, the little sunshade. And we will mount the camera. Then, it's best to silicone the underside, top and bottom of the camera. That way you can fill in the hole that it was drilled. Have your antenna on, make sure it's tight, and adjust your camera. Down low is going to see lower, have less of a view behind you. The more angled up will act more as a rear view mirror or observation. Snap your light cover back on, and camera install is done. So we're going to install the monitor portion now of the AHDS 7810v2. So we got our monitor, we're going to put our sunshade on, drops in the little grooves, slides down, install the antenna. We're going to be using our cigarette lighter adapter for power and our suction cup mount for the windshield. So this is a temporary install that when we use the trailer a couple times a week or a couple times a month, it can come out and not be sticking in the window. To access the DVR, there's a little cover on the back of the monitor with 2 Phillips screws. Once the cover is removed, is where the SD card can be inserted. It can hold up to 128 gig SD card. You can put the card in, put the cover back on, or leave the cover off. Tools required for this is none.
Flip the little lever up. Hold in place and adjust the thumb screw on the back and the other thumb screw on the mount. There we go. Cigarette lighter and power.
So to pair your camera, in case it didn't come paired in the box already, or if you're adding additional cameras, is super simple. To apply power to the camera, turn on your parking lights to the vehicle. Within 45 seconds of turning the parking lights on, press the menu button on the monitor. The first one highlighted is pair. Press the record button, and it'll instantly pair.